Good morning, children. In the previous part, we have seen, let's recall. Now, let us start with the geographical explanation of the interior of the earth. But before explaining, let me give you the example of boiling milk. This is the routine experience in our life. Before boiling, the milk is in a liquid state. After it comes to a boil, steam starts come out of it. After some time, a thick layer of cream develops over the milk. The temperature of the cream is lesser than the milk below. Thus, it can be implied that the creamy layer cooled down faster than the milk below it, which remained hot and in a liquid form. A similar process occurred when the earth cooled down. The scientists unanimously believe that the earth was formed out of the solar system itself. Initially, the earth was in a gaseous hot form. It cooled down as it rotated around itself. But while cooling, what had happened? In the process of cooling, the outer surface has cooled down faster than the center of the earth. The process of cooling took place from the earth's surface towards the center of the earth. As a result, the outer layer of the earth becomes cooler and solid. But as we move from surface to the core, heat increases, and at certain depths, the interior of the earth is semi-liquid. Man has always been inquisitive about what lies in the interior of the earth. A direct observation of the earth's interior has not been possible. Through various methods, the scientists have tried to estimate about the interior of the earth. To infer about these, study of the materials coming out of volcanic eruption and the seismic waves is important. Now let me tell you what does it mean by seismic waves. Seismic waves are waves of energy that travel through the earth's layers, are result of earthquakes, volcanic eruption, magma movements, large landslides and large man-made explosions. So these are the reasons for seismic waves. Okay, you can see. To infer about this, the study of the materials coming out of a volcanic eruption and the seismic waves is most important. That study is very important while studying the interior of the earth. So, matter coming out of volcanic eruption consists of hot magma, gases, steams, etc. When lava cools down and solidifies, igneous rocks are formed. Through the estimates of the study of temperature, density, gravitational force and pressure, the interior of the earth was understood. For instance, when we go deep into a mine, we feel an increase in the temperature. Similarly, the magma coming out of volcanoes from the earth's interior is hot. Such estimations were made by the geologist. Several earthquakes occur in various places of the earth. Seismic waves are generated. These waves travel through the interior of the earth. The study of their observation and velocity help us to estimate about the interior of the earth. So with the help of this, we can study about the interior of the earth. Man has also tried to dig deep boreholes in the interior to know more about the same.